Welcome to Abhinandan Academic. Good morning to all. See, in this video, they discussed about the one important chapter 9, application of trigonometry. Class, okay, 10th standard. The chapter 9, application of trigonometry. What's the first topic? Height and distance. Height and distance we discussed, okay, in this video. And again to inform to you, okay, my channels, what are the vessels, okay, what are the different kinds of in my channels. In my channels, first any chapter is based on the concept video. Next again that concept video based on the example problem. Next exercise questions, okay, textbook NCERT based exercise questions. Next again the NCERT examiner questions. What are the important questions are asking the board examinations point of view. So NCERT examiner questions are available. Next another one is board question paper, okay, some standard board question paper but beyond in the NCERT book, but standard board question paper available my videos, okay. Next go to my description link and we get the two set of question papers. What are the first question setup means? The question number 1 means NCERT examiner question, NCERT book plus NCERT examiner both, okay, example exercise method wise like I would arrange. And the next second set type question means up to the 2010 to up to still current year is a board question paper, okay, set 2, okay. So my channel will describe the two set of questions. First set of question means NCERT book plus NCERT examiner, the combine the one question paper that arrange the method wise both the example and exercise. Next set 2 question paper means that particular set 2 question paper up to the 2010 to still current year is a board question paper collection of all the board question paper 2 mark 3 mark, okay, year wise. You see the PDF copy is available. Go and describe my link and click the PDF copy. Again next third one. So the above concepts and the teaching videos complete means next you get the objectives questions videos also available in my channel, plus objectives question you're writing the test also. So you just will click the my link, okay, go to the description, same description link, and the objectives questions are available in PDF copy. Same again the objectives question available for online testing. What's the online test means? The 50 objectives questions are available in our online test. Just you will click on the link and writing the exam, just multiple choice question only. So 4 options are available. So you click the any one of exact correct answer and complete the test on the 50 objective questions and submit, okay. After within few seconds we get the your scores, okay. What is your subject mark, okay, 50k how many questions are right is just you see the your score also. This is my channel special, okay. So it's not based on the subject plus objectives question you have to discuss, because of our board examination 20 marks is objectives questions very important. So I focus the objective questions also. So objective question, what are the books are you got to refer means first you got a objective question you got to prepare R.D. Sharma. Next again I collect the lot of books, different books and online, okay. I collect the questions and give to the 50 assignment question to you. Yes, okay. Now you are going to topic today in this video. They discuss about the chapter 9 application of trigonometry in the height and distance topic. What's the height and distance? Okay, we know that height and distance is clear. Just you will see the what's the main applications here. Just you ground, okay, you consider the ground level. So one person is standing here, one person should be standing again that one pole, okay, is a consider that pole, okay, consider one pole. So first the person, okay, look at the pole, okay, that person look at the pole, okay. So that any person to look at, okay, any person to watch the pole or any object is that eyes to contact, okay, eye to contact that person, eye to you watch the particular poles or any object that I draw the particular line, okay, or draw the lines, then this line is called the line of sight, okay, this line is called the line of sight. So a person to watch the any object, okay, any object, so I will draw the one straight line, that object based one straight line, that line is called the line of sight, okay, this line is called the line of sight, okay, line of sight. So this line of sight, okay, this above line of sight is parallel to ground surface, is parallel to ground surface. Okay, it's a parallel to ground surface means this line is called the horizontal line of sight or horizontal level. So the line of sight, okay, the line of sight parallel to ground surface or surface means this line is called the horizontal line of sight. Horizontal line of sight. This is called the horizontal line of sight or horizontal level, or simply some book here notations horizontal line. Okay, so the line of sight parallel to ground surface, that line is called the horizontal line. So I will rough it. This line is called the horizontal line. Is clear? Horizontal line or horizontal line of sight. Okay, next, the person to watch the, okay, the top of the pole. Okay, the person to watch the top of the pole. But here to the person to watch the top of the pole. Is clear? So this is a line of sight. So again, the line of sight. Okay, line of sight. So now this line of sight above the horizontal level. Okay, this line of sight above the horizontal level. But here the what's the angle? This particular angle is called the angle of elevation. In particular angle is called the angle of elevations. This is called the angle of elevation. This line is called the angle of elevation. This particular angle is called the angle of elevations. Same way, that person to watch the foot of the, okay, the person to watch the foot of the pole. Okay, the person to watch foot of the pole. But here to the person to watch the foot of the pole. Here line of sight. Okay, here line of sight. Now, is what's the angle? Then this particular angle is called the angle of depression. This particular angle is called the angle of depressions. Okay, angle of depressions. Okay, depressions. So the line of sight below the horizontal line, therefore that particular angle is called the angle of depressions. But what is the conclusion means? The line of sight, what are the angles are formed? Okay, so the line of sight above the horizontal level is called the angle of elevations. So the line of sight above the horizontal level, above the horizontal line, okay, above the horizontal line, okay, the line of sight above the horizontal level. So what angles are formed? That is meaning of angle of elevation. That is particular angle is called the angle of elevations. That particular line is called the angle of elevation. Okay, next, same way, line of sight below the horizontal line. Is clear? The line of sight below the horizontal line. Below the horizontal line. Is clear? Below the horizontal line. So the line of sight below the horizontal line. That what angles are formed? That particular angle is called here. That particular angle is called the angle of depressions. That particular angle is called the angle of depressions. Angle of depressions. This particular angle is called the angle of depression. So we are discussing about the acute angle topic only for acute angle. Sorry, complementary angle for discussed the class 10th standard our syllabus. So what are the main concept video? Is the main for angle of elevations and angle of depressions. This is a very important two definitions. Okay, the above definitions based on the one example problem. You can watch the next video.